Welcome to Jamaica News Report, your trusted source for everything happening across Jamaica and the Caribbean. Today, we're covering a headline that's shaking up the region: President Donald Trump's shocking message to Jamaica after Hurricane Melissa. That's right, the current U.S. president has made a statement about the devastation Hurricane Melissa left behind, and his words have Jamaicans talking. Before we proceed, please do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to get notification when we release more Jamaican videos. Thank you. Let's break it down. Hurricane Melissa tore through Jamaica just days ago, flattening houses, destroying crops, knocking out power, and causing billions in damage. Communities in St. Mary, Portland, Clarendon, Westmoreland, St. James, and St. Elizabeth are still reeling. With the island struggling to rebuild, the world's eyes turned to Washington. And that's when President Donald Trump stepped up to the mic. In an interview with a reporter, Trump said, "The United States stands ready to assist the great people of Jamaica after this terrible storm. Jamaicans are strong, resilient people, some of the best anywhere, and America will be there for you." He went on to confirm that the U.S. government will send humanitarian aid, recovery equipment, and energy support to help restore power and rebuild key infrastructure. Now, if you know Trump, you know he never misses a chance to mix policy with personality. He added, "When I say help, I mean real help. Not just talk, action. Jamaica will see America's strength in times of crisis." And that line immediately went viral. Some Jamaicans praised him for the strong tone and decisive response, while others questioned whether this is genuine compassion or political theater ahead of next year's U.S. elections. Because let's be real, this isn't just about aid, it's also about influence. Trump's administration has been rebuilding ties with the Caribbean, especially with Jamaica's government. Analysts say this hurricane response could strengthen diplomatic relations and also remind everyone that the U.S. wants to counter China's growing presence in the region. So yes, Trump's shocking message might also be part of a much bigger global strategy. Back home, Jamaicans are reacting with a mix of gratitude and skepticism. On social media, one user wrote, "If America's sending help, I am not complaining," while another said, "Trump always knows how to make everything about himself." But despite the debates, the U.S. relief packages are already being mobilized. Reports suggest the first shipment of medical supplies, food, and portable generators will arrive at Kingston Harbor within days. The Jamaican government has officially thanked the United States for its assistance, emphasizing that this kind of cooperation could speed up the island's recovery. Prime Minister Andrew Holness also said, "We welcome the support of all our international partners, especially the United States, as we work to rebuild stronger than before." Here's where it gets interesting. This isn't the first time Trump has shown an interest in Jamaica. Over the past year, his administration has been quietly exploring trade partnerships in tourism, energy, and construction. Some insiders believe U.S. companies could play a big role in Jamaica's reconstruction, meaning this hurricane recovery effort could also become a new chapter in U.S.-Jamaica economic relations. But let's not ignore the optics. Trump's tone this time has been surprisingly diplomatic. No jabs, no insults, just firm promises and warm praise for Jamaicans. That's a rare thing for Trump's usual style, and it's part of why the video went viral across Caribbean social media. Some even joked, "Trump finally learned to talk nice when he wants Caribbean votes." Still, for now, the aid is real. The statement is official, and the world is watching. The question is, will Trump deliver on his promise to help Jamaica see America's strength? Or will this be another flashy headline that fades away once the cameras turn off? Only time will tell. One thing is certain, Jamaica's resilience is shining through once again. From neighbors rebuilding homes together to diaspora communities sending donations overseas, the spirit of unity is alive and well. Hurricane Melissa may have battered the island, but Jamaicans are proving once again that they can't be broken. Thanks for watching Jamaica News Report, where we bring you the stories that matter most to Jamaica and Jamaicans everywhere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and click the one on screen now to go down memory lane as we remember Barry G, the boogeyman. Catch you in the next video.